Whenever you're building anything, whether it's a business, a reputation, or just a decent life, you need a foundation. Today, we're building on our foundation. We're taking and going on a raid to IKEA to outfit the home wall. We need a command center dedicated to work. And in phase 2, I'll be sharpening my skills and sharpening my spear by studying for the Part 107 for the license to fly drones. The modern labyrinth. You come here with a plan, or you get lost in the weeds. It's not exactly hewing timber for a longship, but building the studio starts with hauling the raw materials. This is how we say hello in Swedish. If you want a professional setup, you put the sweat in equity. Time for the drifty cart.
That's why you enjoy it.
Sometime I get to drift nowadays.
That's
Yeah.
my boss.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Gear the load. Now back to the base to build. Cameras and the drone sit proudly on their new surface. The hall is taking shape. It's crucial to have space separated from the rest of the house where the mindset shifts purely to creation. But this gear, it's just plastic and sensors right now. It doesn't become a weapon until I know how to wield it legally. Money was spent today. We bought the items that we needed. We have expensive camera gear. But in the Hávamál stanza 10, Odin drops the real truth about value. Looking at the modern Hávamál by Jason Savage, translated to today's wisdom. Stanza 10. Ain't no wisdom beat mama's speech. Leaving the block, here's what to teach. Smarts over cash, that's the trade. Better be wise than just well paid. That goes back to your mother wit, your knowledge, your skills. That's the only gear that matters when things get tough. That Part 107 license, that's modern wit. It's the difference between an amateur with a toy and a professional with a tool. Tomorrow, we keep building our minds. Today's adventure is over.